Welcome to microwave engineering class. Today we are going to see uh, about E-plane T. So already we have seen in H-plane T that what is microwave T is nothing but used for the purpose of connecting a branch or a section of waveguide in a series or parallel to the main waveguide. So if you look at the shape of the waveguide, it looks like a T. That is why it is called a E-plane T or H-plane T. So when you look at E-plane T, it has a three port. So port one, port two, and port three. So port, if the input is given in the port three, you will get the output from the port one and port two. So you will get the output with the same magnitude and out of phase. So the port 3 can be called as a side arm and port 1, port 2 are called as collinear arm. So we can write as parameter as S13 is equal to minus S23 because we are getting the same magnitude with opposite phase. That is why we are mentioning here the sign minus sign. So if port 3, consider the port 3 is perfectly matched, so S33 will be 0. S33 will be S33 will be 0. So here you'll see, so S33 will be 0 because the third port is perfectly matched. So which means there will not be any reflection from the port 3. So the reflection parameter S33 is 0. So if all the ports are perfectly matched, then we can write it as S11 equal to S22 equal to 0. So and we know the S matrix for a three-port network. We will have a 9 coefficient 3 cross 3 from S11 to S33. So here we have assumed that the third port is perfectly matched, then it is equal to 0. So we can derive all the S parameters by using the S matrix properties. So by applying unitary property that is S into S complex conjugate so is equal to unit. So by applying this property to this S matrix, we can find out the S parameter. So so we considering symmetry of E-plane T, so we can write S12 as S21 because if it is symmetry, so S12, which means the whatever the input is given from the port 2, the same output will be getting whatever the input is given from the port. So S12 is equal to S21 and S13 is equal to S31. So likewise, if the input is given from the port 3, whatever the output we are getting from the port 1, the same output will be getting from port 3 if the input is given from port 1. So that is why we are writing as S13 is equal to S31. So it's likewise S23 equal to S32 by using symmetry. So and then apply the unitary property and multiply the both matrix, you'll be getting these equations. So and by resolving these equations, you'll be getting the S matrix as S equal to S11 as 1 by 2 and S12 as 1 by 2 like that. So finally it will form the S matrix as like this. So next class we will see the